Hello everybody! Today's video is about instant karma. Enjoy watching it. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Your comments and criticisms are, of course, you know the deal. They're always welcomed. The driver of the red Toyota ran a red light and got what he deserved.
Ran the red in front of a cop. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! Get him! Go get him! Yes! Get off my ass, thank you. Yep.
The driver of a black Toyota decided to avoid traffic on the oncoming lane, but did not notice the police, and that's what happened. While on Carmel Valley Road, seen flashing lights ahead. As you can see, I slowed down to give way. Well, the crazy driver behind me decided to pass me illegally in front of the CHP. This is pure karma for the crazy driver. I hope the driver learned their lesson.
Thank you! That's karma, bitch! Thank you! Thank you!
The police are already waiting for those who will bypass the traffic on the side of the road. And we didn't have to wait too long. The driver of the Ford was caught. This is what speeding and ignoring traffic signs led to. Note the green truck, the driver of which appears to be distracted at the most inopportune moment. And again, overtaken through a solid line. Note the black car going from right to left.
I roll the dice and take my chances. Mais tu iras
The driver of the Alfa Romero was going around traffic on the side of the road, and then decided to get in front of the author. But he doesn't know yet that he attacked the wrong person. Two excellent cases of karma from the same author.
Open. Take first, second, and third squads. Sigzil, you've got fourth, fifth, and sixth. Pete, don't think I haven't seen you glowing. You take the other bridgeman. Taft, you take the scouts and...
distance.
Paladin looked around. Where is Taft? He was only just noticing. Could have more thought there, Captain, but he got distracted. How to draw on Stormlight. Before the day is done, I want everyone on this plateau glowing like they swallowed a lantern.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
They broke
Get him!
off.
Yeah!
Translucent red streamer rose from the stone.
That's what you get, mother...
Theo was on pigeon duty when they...
Parchment so that the enemy has no hosts. She met Kaladin's eyes. In the face of such an atrocity, I would consider the sacrifice of one or more heralds to be a small price, Kaladin said, standing up straight. Have you no sympathy? I have plenty, Bridgman. Fortunately, I temper it with logic.
What is going on?
Shallan had never seen her respond to someone with the respect she gave Dalinar. Yasna, Dalinar said. Even if the Pact of the Heralds still holds, we can't know that they'd stay in damnation, or the mechanics for locking away the Voidbringers there. That said, first step, they must know much that can greatly assist us.
The Lexus decided not to stand in traffic and drove around part of the traffic to his house in the oncoming lane. The Jeep decided to drive around the traffic on the side of the road, but there they were waiting for him. Hi, thanks for the great question. There are 2 more of these chargers like mine in Ukraine, just the wide body. If you take the narrow version, of course there are more of them, but the Challenger is popular here. I don't know why. Not so long ago, the guys in Kiev even had a small car meet during the war.